Hi, I'm Amanda Winalda with Anderson Advisors, and we are at day 2 of our tax and asset protection event in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm here with Jamie. How are you, Jamie?
I'm great, Amanda. How are you?
Good, good.
Good.
So, Jamie's with Alpine Capital. Why don't you give us a rundown of what Alpine does?
Alpine, the core business that we're in is providing turnkey cash flow properties to investors and teaching them how to be active, how to be passive, the different things they should look at when they're investing in real estate.
And for those people new to real estate, what does turnkey mean?
Turnkey means we source the property, we rehab it, we place the tenant, and then we manage the property. So, from an investor standpoint, all they have to do is collect the cash.
You guys provide the money too, then, right? Just kidding.
I wish we could, but we can't.
So, an investor comes in, how much do they need to get started with you?
It varies. It depends on the investor and what kind of partnerships they might have. If they've got money in a 401k or a retirement account, they can use those funds. So our houses range anywhere from $140,000 to $300,000.
And these are single family homes, mobile homes.
They're both. Generally, most of our inventory is going to be single family homes, but we are expanding into the mobile space as well. And there are the occasional multi-family 2, 4, 8-plex, 16-plex. So those do come up every now and then.
And what markets are you guys in?
The current markets are Charlotte, North Carolina, Winston-Salem, Kansas City, Indianapolis, and Idaho Falls.
And you're part of the Dallas group then.
I am part of the Dallas group. We initially, when we first started Alpine Capital Solutions, we were selling properties here in Dallas. We've expanded into different markets. The market dynamics have changed a little bit here. So we're moving on to some different places, different dynamics, so that we can make sure we're getting the best return for our investors.
Let's talk more specifics about these dynamics. What are you looking for when you're choosing a market to be in?
Government stability, continued population growth. We generally try to invest in linear markets. So when there's a real estate downturn, we don't lose a whole lot of appreciation. On the flip side, we're not going to gain just tons of appreciation like some of the other markets, Vegas, Phoenix, East Coast, West Coast, but it's a more stable investment in the long run.
So we're mostly looking for cash flow.
Cash flow's king.
Cash flow is king, right? So if Alpine does a lot of education as well, so can you talk about that?
So Alpine has a number of experts in house. Um, the biggest being our founder, Aaron Adams. He teaches mobile home flipping. We teach wholesaling. We teach just about any aspect of investing in real estate. We can teach people how to really dive into the nuts and bolts.
Nice. So how does somebody get started either on the education side or the investment side?
So they can go to Alpine Capital Solutions website. They can go to Infinity Investing if they want to learn more about the education. We do have a monthly summit where people can come and they can listen to our experts talk about all the various subjects as it relates to real estate investing and meet the team and network and learn how to get started.
It sounds great.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Jamie.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Right.